How to crop photos in Nanobanana.AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily crop it out. First of all, go to the website name Nanobanana.Ai. So this interface will pop up. Now here I'm in my home page. Here you can simply tap on Start Editing. So now we're in this editing platform. Here you can add your images and simply give the prompt that you want. So here on the bottom, simply tap on Add Image. Now you can select the image that you want to crop out. So here I'm selecting one. Here on the main prompt, this is the section where you can write crop the image. So it's quite easy by simply giving the instruction to it. So here simply tap on Generate Now and it will automatically crop out your image. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.